Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to revise for your FA. Okay, the portions are addition, subtraction and multiplication. So all these three units are there for your test. Okay, for your FA. So the important thing is here is sign. Okay, so if you find if it is a plus sign, what you should do children? You should add. If it is minus sign, then you have to subtract. If it is into, then what you should do? You should multiply. Okay, so this you have to keep it in your mind. Okay, so because all the three concepts are there, you have to be clear that what is given, whether you should add or you subtract or you should multiply. So read the question properly and attend the answer. Okay, so now we will revise. Today we will revise addition children. So today we will revise full chapter, that is addition. Okay, so first is fill in the blanks. So the questions will be in the fill in the blanks type only. Okay, so addition means putting together. Addition means putting together. Spelling for putting together: P-U-T-T-I-N-G-T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R. Putting together. The sign of addition is dash. What is the sign of addition? Okay, what is the sign of addition? The sign of addition is plus. The spelling for plus is P-L-U-S, plus. Okay, the number that we add are called as addends. For example, if you are adding 5 plus 3, these two are called as what? Addition? No, it is called as addends. A-D-D-E-N-D-S, addends. What it is? A-D-D-E-N-D-S. Okay, correct it children. A-D-D-E-N-D-S. Okay, so the answer of addition is called dash. After adding, what we get one answer, right? So what is that answer is called as? Here 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 is called as what? 8 is called as sum. What it is called as? Sum. Okay, so next is 4 plus 1. This is based on the property children. So when we add 1 to any number, what we get? We get the next number itself, isn't it? So when we add 1 to any number, we get the sum as the next number, or you can tell it as we get the successor of the number. So we get the successor of the number. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 4 plus 1 is 5. So successor of 4 is what? 5. Yes, isn't it? The successor of 4 is 5. Okay, so that you can remember. Okay, where and all you can use the properties, there you can use and you can save your time. Okay, 5 plus 0 equals dash. So this also based on the property only. When we add 0 to the any number, what we get it as an answer? So we get the same number as the answer, that is 0 plus 5 plus 0 equals, what is the answer? 5. Because we are not going to add anything to 5. So the 5 remains the same. So 5 plus 0 equals 5. Okay. So 7 plus 4 equals dash plus 7. So this is also based on the property only children. See, even if we interchange the number, the answer remains the same. So I will show you here 7 plus 4 equals how much? 7 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. So write here 11. Same way, even you interchange the answer. 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 is 4 in your mind. 7 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is same. Even if you interchange the number, the answer remains same. Same way, here it is given. 7 plus 4 equals 4 plus 7. Okay, understood children? Same way, this also 14 plus dash plus 7 equals 7 plus 5 plus dash. So what is there? Here 5. So that you can write it here. So what is missing here? 14. That you should write there. Okay, understood children? Add 7 plus 5 equals dash. So it will not be arranged. It will be asked in this form only. Okay, in this form only. So how the questions will be asked in the test, the same way I have written. Okay, so add 7 plus 5 equals dash. So what you should do now? You should arrange the number first. Then after that you have to add. Okay, so first arrange the number. Right here once. Why I am writing here O? Because it is a written here once, because we have only one number, so you have to write once. Okay, so below this what you should write 7 plus 5 and dash. Okay, so arrange, then add. When you, after getting the answer, you can click the answer, but you have to work out in your RNB. Okay, so that you won't make mistake. 7 plus 5. So first number keep it in your mind, second number show it in your finger. 7 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. So 2 I should write it in ones place and 1 I should write it in tens place. Okay, understood children? If you get the carryover, you have to write like this. Okay, so the second one is add 14, 3 and 2. So this is given in words. Okay, so the add word is given. So what you should do, here you can find out with a sign, but here they have given add. Okay, so here also you can find out. By this you can make it out whether you should add, subtract and multiply. Okay, so add 14, 3 and 2. So first write the place value children, tens, ones. What is the first number? 14 plus 3. 3 where I should write? I should write it in the ones place. Plus 2. 2 also I should write it in the ones place. Okay. So 4 plus 3. 4 in your mind. 3 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7 keep it in your mind. 2 show it in your finger. After 7, 8, 9. So write here 9. 1. You don't have any number here. So bring down 1 as it is. Okay, understood children? So the next one is add 24, 32 and 19. So first step what you should do children, you have to arrange the number, that is tens, ones and first number is what? 24. Write 2 below 10, tens place and 4 below ones place, plus what is the next number? 32. 3, 2 plus what is the next number? 1, 9. So arrange, then add. Then after that you can click the answer. So first add the number in ones place. So what is the first number? 4 plus 2. 4 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6. Now 6 in your mind, 9 show it in your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 how you will write? Write 5 below ones place and 1 you should take it as carry over. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 3 in your mind. 3 show it in your finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1 is how much? 7. So 24, 32 and 19. So what is the answer you get children? 75. Next one children, add 45 plus 54 plus 32 is equal to dash. So first what you have to do, arrange the numbers. So write tens and arrange the number children. 45 plus 54 plus 32. So first we have to arrange the number, then we will add. So 5 plus 4. 5 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 in your mind, 2 show it in your finger. After 9, 10, 11. So 11 how you will write? Write 1 here and 1 you should take it as carry to the tens place. Now 4 plus 1 is how much children? 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 5 in your mind, 5 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 3 is how much? 10 plus 3 is 13. So write 3 here and 1 to the 100th place. Because you don't have any number here, what I should do? I should bring down the number as it is, or you write the number in the next place and write there hundreds. And you can write the answer 131. So the answer is what? 131. Same way, 3-digit addition we are going to see now. So first arrange the number children. With the carryover, we are going to see 3-digit number with the carryover. Okay. So 100 tens and ones. First number is what? 346 plus second number what we have to add is 478. Okay. So 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8. 6 in your mind. 8 show it in your finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14, how you will write? 4 below in one's place and 1 you should take it as carry over. So 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. 5 plus 7. So 5 in your mind, 7 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So write 2 here and 1 you should take it as carry over. So 3 plus 1 is how much? 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 4 in your mind. 4 show it in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the answer and you can write the answer here. So when I give as a homework, so only the questions will be like this, but you have to work out and you should write the answer. Okay. So you work out and write the answer. Don't write the answer directly. Okay. So you may make mistakes. So only I am asking you to work out the problem and after getting the problem, you should write the answer. In the test, you can click the answer. Okay. Now, 3-digit addition children. So first number is 415. Sorry, add 415 plus 167 plus 214. So what is the first step? First you have to arrange the numbers. Write the place value 100, tens, ones. First number is what? 415 plus 167 plus 214. Okay. So 214. So first you have to add the numbers in ones place. So 5 plus 7. So 5 in your mind, 7 show it in your finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 in your mind, 4 show it in your finger. After 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So write here 6 and 1 you should take it as carry over. So 1 plus 1 is how much children? 2. So 2 in your mind, 6 show it in your finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. So write the answer here 9. So 4 plus 1 is how much? 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 5, 6, 7. So write here 7. Okay. So now the answer is 796. Okay. The same way it is given in words, that is add 108 and 275 and 314. So what you have to do? Just arrange the numbers. It is 108 plus 275 plus 314. Okay. So 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 in your mind. 5 show it in your finger. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 in your mind. 4 show it in your finger. After 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17, 1 I am writing here. 1 I am taking it to the next place, to the carry over. So 1 plus 0 is how much? Just 1 only. Now 1 plus 7 is how much? 8. 8 plus 1 is how much? 9. So write here 9. Okay. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 3. 4, 5, 6. So you can write here 6. So if you get the carry over here, what you will do children? If you get in carry over in a hundreds place, what you will do? That you should write it in the thousand place. This is the procedure what you have to follow. So if you get the carry over in the ones place, that you should come to the tens place. If you get carry over in the tens place, that should go to the hundreds place. Okay. So in hundreds place, if you get carry over, what you should do? The carry over should go to the thousands place, and the step keeps on repeating. Okay. So this is how you have to do. This is the concept. This is how you have to add the number. Okay children, practice all the sums. Okay, be thorough for the test. Okay, even the introduction main also, for each unit it is different, right? So for example, the answer of addition is different and the answer of subtraction is different. Okay, the numbers that we add is called addends. There the bigger number in subtraction is called minuend. So each thing they are different, right? So understand and write the answer. Read the question and okay children, take care. Bye.